Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply for data entry jobs in UpWork. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so we need to head on over to upwork.com and to create a profile. Now once you've created a profile, we want to make sure we've got data entry as one of your skills listed before we start looking for data entry jobs. So now to do that, just go ahead and click into your profile. Alright, now once you're inside your profile, I want to scroll down and look for skills. And where it says skills, click on the pencil icon and make sure to add in data entry like so. So go ahead and add data entry and then click save. Then from here, from the top of the page where it says search, type in data entry and then hit enter. Now this is going to take you to Upwork search results for all data entry related jobs. So now on the top of the page, we can sort this result by newest or relevance or client spend or client rating. So go through and have a look at different ways to filter out these jobs. So if you want to check out newest, keep it on newest. And now just scroll down. If anything tickles your fancy, just go ahead and click into it. So as you can see here, virtual assistant for job applications, data entry. So if you want to have a look at that one, click into it. Now a little pop-up's going to open. Then from here, you can have a read of the job description, about the client. You can see what they're going to pay here. It's a fixed price, $20, and then your skills and expertise. So as it states, data entry, that's why we put it in our profile earlier. You can look at the client's recent history too. Now if you like this job, we can go ahead and save it and then filter out, have a look at more, and then pick the best job out the lot. Now if you want to go ahead and apply, I want to go ahead, so these will be different. So go ahead and click on open job in new window. So to apply to these jobs, they might differ from job to job. So it will say more about the job here, your task, etc. And now on the right here, it will say what you need to do. So you'll need to connect to bid the like credits that show clients you're serious. So you need to buy connects to apply for this job. So to do that, go ahead and click on buy connects to apply. Then select the amount you'd like to buy. So 100 for $15 or 300, etc. Gonna need promo codes. Go ahead and apply. Buy connects. Then once you've done that, you can go ahead and apply for that job.